Half of me is filled with bursting words, and half of me is painfully shy. I crave solitude, yet I also crave people. I want to pour life and love into everything, yet also nurture my self-care and go gently. I want to live within the rush of primal intuitive decision, yet also wished to sit and contemplate. This is the messiness of life, that we all carry multitudes. So must sit with the shifts. We are complicated creatures, and ultimately, the balance comes from this understanding. Be water, flowing, flexible, and soft, subtly powerful and open, wild and serene, able to accept all changes by the pull of steady tides. It is enough.